have ever had this problem. I've owned 2 Cavaliers and I've had it happen to both of them. That's where the panel breaks and the screw no longer will hold it on. Well, today we're going to fix this. We'll actually do 2 things. You can go to a salvage yard and pick up a whole new side view mirror control panel, or you can try and fix it. Now we're going to do both. We're going to fix the panel, and we're also going to we went to a salvage yard and picked up another control panel, and so we're going to also install that. So you have 2 options. To remove the door panel, there are 7 screws that you need to remove. There's one here, 2 in the handle, 1 on the side, and then there are 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, and 3. What you want to do is, when you remove the screw, make sure you put it someplace where you don't lose it, and a place where you can find it. All right, the next thing you need to do is you need to pull or unloosen the hooks at the bottom. So just pull it out. You can hear them coming down. You just work your way up, and then once you do that, you can lift up and it should come off. There we go. What you can do is, once you get it off, you've got these wires attached to the door. You don't want to put stress on them, so you can just put your door up this way. And this is the part we're going to remove. So we've got to, we'll be unhooking the clip. You've got to remove 2 clips, so you just pop this out and pull it out. Okay, so there's one, and there's one back in here. It's kind of hard to see, but you just basically do the same thing. Just lift up on this and pull it out. So pretty simple. And there we have it removed. And then all we have to do is go ahead and attach the other sets of wires to the door. Now this is the panel that we picked up at the salvage yard, and you can see it's not broken here, so it should work fine with just the screw. We won't need to use a washer. You may want to try and use a washer. It may give it a little bit more support, but this is what we're going to attach. And you really can't make a mistake because they'll only fit in the right one, so you just go ahead and click them together. There's one, and then here's your other one. Make sure they click, and then you're all done. Once you've attached the wires, then you can go ahead and put the door panel back on. You just need to make sure that you keep this where it's supposed to be. You can start with the top, slide that in. Just go ahead and slide it into the groove. What you're going to do is just lift up on the bottom and push it in. You should fill it. There we go. And then once you fill it, you'll feel it get into the lip or onto the. So what you do is you just push in the top, and make sure the lip goes, or it goes over the lip. Then line up the screws, or the secure anchors, and then just go ahead and push them in. And you can hear them connect. Now the last thing that you want to do is just go ahead and screws back in. You've got the 7. You'll need to put back in, and then you'll be good to go. Bring this back on. There's a lip here that you need to go over with this little clip. So you clip that in. should be able to find the screw, or where the screw goes in. And I wouldn't go too tight or you run the risk of breaking that again. And you've got the two screws that go into the door handle. And again, you don't need to get them just nice and snug. You don't need to over tighten them or you run the risk of breaking the plastic. You remember you've got the one on the side, nice and snug. Then you have the three along the bottom. Installed the new power side view mirror control panel, and you know, everything works well. Works on both sides. So it's a really easy fix.